Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be playing with slime. As you can see, I have this big slime right here. And it's got these little beads in there. I'll be checking out. I got this in a slime package. So I got this one in a slime package for $10. So yeah, and then we'll be talking about some more slimes that I got, and I made. This one I got. It's a really good texture. I hope you guys like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite animal is. Let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna find, oh, here it is. It was in this, well, it wasn't in this bag, it was in a container. But I put it in a bag because I used the container for something. So yeah, and we'll get a straw out and ready to blow some bubbles. Oh, this one is one of my favorite slimes. This is actually my favorite. You see these little flaky thingies in there? It's full of it and it feels so weird. They don't even come off on your hands. Okay. Comment down below if you ever made a crunchy slime. I have. We're not even getting into that yet. That will be a next video. I love doing slime pet peeves. Slime pet peeves are one of my. I just don't like slime pet peeves because when you're making a bubble and you do that, I don't understand. You have to go like that to get some more sound. And when you're doing these pokey things, you talk too loud that you can't even hear them. I make sure you guys can hear them, unless because yeah. Let's get an Instagram pic. Okay. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram at puppy_lover_57_. So puppy_lover_57_. I'll try to get it up at the top. Okay? Okay, ready? I'm gonna blow. I'm gonna go edit it. It's like I'm doing surgery here. I've got to blow. So sticky. Now,